Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Dennis, and today's video is about pocket cameras. Do you have a favorite pocket camera that you use? And I'm talking film cameras. I'm not talking there's hundreds of pocket digitals out there, but I'm talking film cameras. And do you have a favorite pocket camera, or even have a pocket camera? Well, I'm going to show you my favorite. My favorite is the Agfa Isolette bellows film camera. Folds up fairly flat, and so why not? It'll fit in about any pocket. It's not, I mean, it's doesn't have that much weight to it. It's like any other camera. I mean, they're a hunk of metal is what they are. So this one's my favorite, and probably the only thing I would take for a pocket camera. It's easy to use. It's 120, which that gives it a little extra plus. It's easy to use. You set your focal length here. You set whether you want f16, f11, f8 here. And then you've got a knurled dial here that you can set your speed. Not real sure you can see it on the video, but that sets your speed. You set your shutter, and you got your shutter button. Then wind the film till you see the next number you're on in the red window, and it's got a cover for it. I have several videos on buying this particular camera, what to look for, because they have paper bellows. This has a new leather bellows that I just put on it a few months back, and so almost 99 times out of 100, when you get this, it's going to have light leaks because it's a paper thin black bellows. So you might be able to fix it up with some what is it, the electrical paint on stuff. You might be able to fix it up with that. I haven't really tried. I tried one camera, I forget what it was now, but I didn't like the way it worked, so I didn't mess with it. We're going to also show loading film into it, which there is. I do have another video in that does show. I had this film out before. I was going to load it into something and then decided not to. So it's got tape on it. But so there's several videos on this particular camera. To open the back, pull down on that little latch. For taking this out, you got a little tab here. You can pull that out, and it'll come down so you can easily get your film out. To put this one back in, you pull up on that little dial, put your film in, make sure it gets in there. Now what we're going to do, let me lay the camera down here a minute. Now what we're going to do is slide it up there, push that one up, push it back down. And I don't know if I mentioned this, but I'm putting some colored film in it. I've never shot colored film in it. but I am going to start developing my own colored film. Felt like it was time I could start shooting some colored film since I'm going to develop myself. I just didn't want to send it out. So it's like any other camera. You put it into a slot on the take-up reel. Turn the take-up knob. Make sure you've got it situated in there. And then now, I'm just going to shut the cover up and be guided by the numbers in the back. So then you just wind it around till you get on one through the red window, and then push that up and you're ready for your first picture. That's it on what I carry for a pocket camera. So what do you carry for a pocket camera? Or do you even have a pocket camera or care to have a pocket camera? That's it for this video. If you could hit that subscribe button, ring that bell, and hey, while you're at it, give the video a thumbs up. It's time for you to grab that camera, some film, and get out and take some pictures. See you in the next video.